If you don't like digital time icon on your phone because it is so small and hard to see, even for a person with a good eyesight, I don't know why Android developers still haven't made the time icon bigger, because it would be much more convenient for users. Therefore, in today's video I will show you a universal method for making the time icon bigger on your phone, so it will be much more convenient to use. Welcome to my channel and let's get started. To do this, you first need to activate the hidden functions in the phone. On your phone, head to Main Settings. After that, tap on My Phone or About Phone. Then scroll down a little bit and tap on Build number 7 times until you see notification that the developer mode is turned on. Now the hidden functions are activated and we need to find them in the settings of our phone. For this, on your phone, head to Main Settings again. Use Search and type Developer option. Or scroll down to System, depending the Android phone you're using. Here is the developer option you just activated. Then select Developer Options. And scroll down to Section Drawing. And after that, you can find the Here Smallest Width. Tap on that. Here by default, you will have some value. For example, I have 360 on this phone, so the smaller the value here, the bigger the time icon and other icons in the status bar. Now I'll show you how it works. You can enter value from 300 to 400. First, let's delete this value and enter, for example, 320. After that, tap OK. And as you see, the time icon and other icons in the status bar became bigger, but not only the icons in the status bar became larger, but also the text and icons on the screen. And now we will fix this, so the icons in the status bar remain large, and the text and icons on the desktop becomes the same as before. If of course you need this, because some people find it more convenient when both the text and icons are larger, but if you want the desktop icons and text to be the same as before, go back to the phone settings. On Search option, type Font. That's font size. Tap on it. And draw it back to make the text on the screen smaller. That's it. Now to make desktop icons to be the same as before the status bar time enlargement, long press on an empty area of your home screen. Tap on Desktop Settings. Tap on Appearance. Select icon size and drag back to reduce the size. That's it. If you want to turn on battery percentage, go to Main Settings and search for Battery Lab. Or scroll down to Battery Lab in the Setting menu. Select Battery Settings and toggle on Battery Percentage. That's it. This the end of this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.